Struggling to crack KCET option entry? One wrong move can cost your dream college. Watch this video to learn smart secrets and rank-proof strategies to grab the best seat, no matter your score. Don't miss out. This guide could change your future. Filling out option entries for KCET, Karnataka Common Entrance Test, is a crucial step in getting into a good engineering college. The order of your preferences will directly affect the college and branch you are allotted. Here's a step-by-step smart approach for creating your option entry list. 1. Understand your rank. Category rank versus general merit rank. Use category rank GM, SC, ST, OBC, etc. if you fall under a reservation. Refer to previous year's cutoff ranks, 2023-2022, on KEA or trusted educational portals. 2. Shortlist colleges and branches. Make a matrix of top colleges, example RVCE, BMSCE, MSRIT, PESU, NIE, etc. Branches you prefer, example CSE, ECE, ISE, AIML, etc. Then categorize. Dream options, slightly above your rank, in case cutoffs drop. Safe options, well within your rank. Backup options, lower-ranked colleges that you'll accept if others fail. 3. Order of preference. Fill based on your priority, not based on chance of getting it. Example: 1. RVCE, CSE. 2. BMSCE, CSE. 3. MSRIT, CSE, and so on. The software will allot the first available option from the top of your list, so order matters a lot. 4. Use KCET cutoff tools. Use tools like KEA official website, college predictor tools like Shiksha, Careers 360, Get My Uni, etc. Previous year, round 1, 2, and extended round cutoffs. 5. Consider these factors: college reputation, faculty, infrastructure, placement record, location and transport, branch interest. Don't just go for college brand if the branch doesn't suit you. 6. Fill many options, 50 to 100 or more. No limit, so be generous. Helps avoid missing out in case others cancel or withdraw seats. List all acceptable combinations from best to least preferred. Pro tips: mock option entry rounds can help you test and revise your list. Don't blindly copy others' options. Personalize based on your goals. Save and lock your options before the deadline. Conclusion: your KCET rank doesn't define your future. Your strategy does. Make every option count by planning smartly and avoiding common mistakes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on engineering admissions and career guidance. All the best for your KCET journey. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.